In the heart of the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, a rare and remarkable discovery has been made: a mother fishing cat with her cubs. The fishing cat, a medium-sized wildcat, is seen moving stealthily through the tall grasses near the water's edge. Known for their exceptional swimming skills, fishing cats are primarily nocturnal and elusive, making sightings like this extremely rare. The cubs playfully follow their mother, mimicking her hunting techniques. These wetlands are crucial for their survival, providing the perfect habitat for fishing cats to hunt their prey: fish, crustaceans, and even small mammals. The presence of these cubs is a hopeful sign for the species, which is listed as vulnerable due to habitat loss. The fishing cat and her cubs disappear into the tall grass, a symbol of resilience in the wild.